Hello guys, welcome back. We're gonna start the new year with an exciting trip. Comment, so where are we heading today?
I am not going to tell as yet where are we going to land up by tomorrow.
Okay, so she wants to keep it a suspense.
Yes.
She's not going to disclose the location, but I'll give you all a hint. We are heading to Karnataka.
Yes, Karnataka, but the actual place where are we actually going is not going to be disclosed until tomorrow.
This trip or rather break is much required. After all what has happened in 2021, we're going to start the year 2022 with a lot of excitement, a lot of fun and a lot of positivity. So keep supporting us how you all did last year.
And plus, actually as you said about the break, we all need break at least 1 or 2 days in our life so that we be stress free from everything around what is happening. So we want to start the year with positivity and lots of love. And yes, exactly, thank you so much for showing us a lot of love and support in these past year. If you all weren't there today, we wouldn't be over here where we are today. Let's start the journey. I don't think so we'll be able to show you because our train leaves at 8:25. We are going to actually tell you all how we got there, but like each and every detail we'll be giving it to you all.
Actually, we won't be able to capture much at this time. As you all can see, it's already dark. But yes, we will capture what we can early in the morning. And yeah, stay tuned and watch the entire video to know where we are heading to.
Let the journey begin.
I have kids in my compartment. So, are you all excited for the trip? Where are you all off to? Dandeli. Oh wow. What's your name?
Prisha.
Prisha, yours?
Rena.
Rena, and yours?
Vanshi.
So, they are our friends for today and companions. The whole journey actually. So, when you come and
We are going to have a lot of fun.
So we are all playing Uno right now. Subway, eat fresh. Sleepy faces be like, but she's very active. So guys, we have landed at our destination, not yet, but Alnawar.
Yes, we have got on the train. Now we are heading to the homestay. So Carmen, you want to disclose the location, the exact location?
No, actually we have a ride here, so until we reach over there, I'm not going to disclose anything, and I'm not going to let Myron also disclose anything.
So guys, one thing I would like to tell you all, when you all are traveling to Karnataka or any other state, do carry your RTCPR test report. It will come handy during COVID time.
Plus, it's mandatory to wear your mask no matter what.
Yes, it is important to wear the mask for your safety and the safety of others. So come along with us and we will show you all the way how to reach there. It took us roughly around 13 and a half hours from Mumbai to reach to Annawar, and it will take more 1.5 hours to reach the homestay. You're the friend at tour guide for the next 3 days, Vishal.
If you all are traveling by Mumbai or Pune, you can even get down at Londa station. If you all have a private vehicle, it's all the more good. The crops which you all can see are sugarcane. There are plenty of sugarcane plantations over here. As you all can see, the truck in front of me carrying woods will be converted into paper. Karnataka is one of the largest manufacturer of paper.
We are halfway through. By now you all must have seen the signboards and the main circle. So Carmen, I think it's time to tell them the location, exact location.
We are come in Karnataka. The place name is Dandeli. which is famous for its safari as always.
It's not just famous for its safaris, it's also known for its water sports activities. It has a famous Anchi National Park, but have no expectation about spotting animals because the forest is very dense and it's thick, so it's very difficult to spot them. But overall, it's a beautiful place, close to nature. I am already loving it. I'm not yet reached the homestay, and the homestay is in the middle of the jungle, so I'm excited for it. This is River Kali. See if you get some crocodiles here. Guys, we just spotted a crocodile. It's basking. You all can see it.
What a great start to this.
Yes, right. What a start to the trip.
Can't we go that side and see?
Now you want me to swim in it?
Why not?
Now we are heading to the homestay. We are honored that Rahul himself came to pick us up.
So guys, we have reached the homestay. The person leading us is Rahul. We'll give you a brief description about him in the next vlog. For now, we'll see the place around the homestay. Oh wow, look at this bridge. This is so cool, yeah.
This is so beautiful. Like trees around, greenery.
This is the well. Water from this well is used for drinking purpose for the homestay. Homestay where we gonna stay, where we gonna live, I'll say, for the next 2 days. Look at it. So peaceful. It is actually a tiger reserve.
This is going to be our alarm for the next few days.
We are guys at Dandeli Homestay. This place is heaven. There's so much peace. You can only hear the sound of birds chirping away from city life, noise, pollution, honking. I love this. I would trade anything to live a life like this. Kaman, what do you have to say about it?
So I would speak about Rahul. Rahul is so down to earth person. He is spectacular as a person. He has treated us as if we are at home, and there is fresh home cooked meal for us, and we had our breakfast.
Yeah, don't be thinking who Rahul is. We will get him in the next vlog and he will have a word with you all. Rahul, there's lots to talk about him. As a
Exactly.
person is a great person. Actually came to pick us up, and this homestay actually feels like home. For me, this is another level. There is a safari, Kali Tiger Reserve right besides the homestay, and there is also an elephant camp. We will be giving all a tour in the upcoming vlogs.
Details of this stay and Rahul's number will be down in the description. So if you all have any plans in near future to come in over here and stay, you're more than welcome.
And I would recommend you all personally to do visit. It is a place to come for. It's more connected to nature, I would
Yes.
say that. And also there is no network and internet connection, so don't have any fancy hopes that you will come here, be on your phone. That's not going to happen.
So
And we will be showing all the rooms across the homestay. There are tent stay as well, and during night it's amazing. They do have bonfires. Yes, I personally liked it. I can go on and on and on.
and one thing, he said that you can't use phone. So basically, you will hear only threat calls from the animals.
Yes, there are threat calls like the sambar, the langur. There are
Yeah.
tigers, leopards around this place, and also pythons and king cobras. These things excite me. I don't know about y'all. So yes, stay tuned, guys. There's a huge dormitory as well. So guys, this is a mimosa plant. We all know it by the name Touch Me Not. Gone to sleep. Live example that plants are living things. So these holes, what you all see, is actually the elephant's footprint, you can see. The wild elephants had entered this area a month ago but did no damage. It's damn chilling out here. Look at this, it's pitch dark.
Myron found a friend and he's taking him for night walk. His name is Charlie.
Charlie, say hi. Yeah.
Good night, guys. See you all tomorrow.